Hello everyone. Today's video will guide you on how to download and install Office 2021 Professional for free on Windows 11 and 10. Here are the basic installation steps. Please follow along. Before installing Office 2021 Professional Plus for free, I will introduce the steps as follows. Step 1. Uninstall any existing Office on Windows. Step 2. Customize your Office installation using the Office Customization tool. Step 3. Download the Office Deployment tool. Step 4. Install Office 2021 using Command Prompt. Step 5. Activate Office. Open Control Panel. Press Windows plus or on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type Control and press Enter. This will open the Control Panel. Go to Programs. In the Control Panel, click on Programs. Programs and Features. Click on Programs and Features. This will display a list of all installed programs on your computer. Find Microsoft Office. Scroll through the list to find Microsoft Office. You can also use the search box in the top right corner to quickly locate it. Uninstall. Click on Microsoft Office to select it, then click the Uninstall button at the top of the list. Confirm any prompts that appear to proceed with the uninstallation. Follow the uninstallation wizard. A Microsoft Office uninstallation wizard may appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. Restart your computer, optional. After the uninstallation is complete, you may want to restart your computer to ensure all components are removed.